Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video we covered sum of two numbers from user input, and now we are going to create another Java program to find out area of circle. So let's get started. For this we need to declare a constant and we will do some mathematical operation here. So let's get started with our program. So let's create our new Java file, and the file name will be area of circle. Okay, let's add our main method here. So if you type only main on your IDE, it will get directly invoked in window. So let's declare our variable first, float of pi. So we used float here because this is a floating point or decimal number 3.14 value of pi. So we'll cast our value using this float, and let's create another variable integer a. Next we'll create our scanner object to get a user input. Scanner is equal to new scanner and system.in. Next we'll get a user input a equal to scanner.next int. I'm using integer here. You can use float, double and other decimal as well. Okay, let's create our float area to store the result. And now area is equal to float. We are parsing or converting our value from integer to float, a into pi I. But the basic formula a square into pi. So we added a into pi and will print our result system.out.println area of the given input a equal to and area. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, program compiled and the console window is open. Let's input our number here. Yeah, so area of 5 is 78.5. so let's add a message for user that he will understand he need to enter value to calculate area. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, program compiled and we receive the message enter value to calculate area, and 6 and area of 6 is 113.04. Okay, thank you. We'll connect again.